Welcome back everybody to Guns and Oka. Like I said in my last video, I was going to come up here to the gun range and fire off a few shots with my brand new Ruger LCP 380. I came up here to Midwest Shooting Center because this is the range I always go to since I have a membership here. Now I'm going to load the whole clip up with 6. And I bought 2 extra clips and filled those up too. Make sure it's in a safe direction. Make sure ain't nothing in the chamber. And it's charged. Had to scoot back a little bit. Notice I wasn't in frame. Let's take a few shots. Now that first shot, I was like, dang, this little gun got some kick to it. And I ain't been to the range in a while. Now what do we have here? Failure to eject. It's my first jam on this gun. I haven't even got through a whole clip yet. And I mean, it could be because I didn't clean or oil the gun or the magazine when I first got it. I just took it out the box, loaded it up, and started shooting. Let's take a few more shots. And we're out. Let's go ahead, make sure it's clear. Let's bring the target back. I didn't do as good as I thought. Let's go ahead and put up this new target. Take a couple more shots. Still got 2 clips left. And I don't know why I always have a problem getting these things straight. I'm gonna turn my laser on for this one. I forgot that quick how powerful it was. And that's it for that clip. So you already know, make sure it's clear. Clear that thing. Clear that thing. Clear that thing out. Bring it back and see what we did. Yeah, okay, you see me. Yeah, this is exactly what I was aiming for. Let's go ahead and send this back out. I still got 6 more shots in this other clip, so let's empty that. And again, failure to eject. Now I really don't know what's going on with this gun right now at this point. It could be the ammunition. I would tell you guys the grain and all that, but I end up throwing the box away, so I don't remember. And that's it. Clear it again. Let's bring the target back, see what we did. We see those shots from earlier. Then you see that next shot. Yeah, I'm getting better, man. Practice makes perfect. And now that I got this membership, I'm gonna be in here every day. Maybe not every day, maybe at least 2 times a week though. And that's it for today, y'all. I just want to thank anybody who watched the whole video. Until next time, be safe, stay positive, and God bless. I'll add 'em now. Go! Here's a little blooper for you guys. I was trying to move the camera to the other side for a different angle, but you'll see. Just watch.